I'll be using this palette. I'll be using this shade, and I'm using this brush from Juvia's Place. This is the JP007. I'm just going to put that color here as my transitional shade. I'll blend it to my brow bone area. And I'm going to take this brush from BH, this 104, and I'll take this brand here, this one close to it, and I'm just going to pat that here. Take this brown with that same brush, and I'm just going to pack it from here. From my outer V area, just dab it there. I'm just tapping it there. Halfway. Take the first brush, I'm just going to blend the upper side. I'm not cutting my crease, I'm just going to use this white shade here. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to take this shimmer Jelly Jungle from KIKO. I'm going to apply this. Just press it on top. I'm going to take the brownish shade and just press that. Then I'll take this brush and just try to blend the upper side of it. apply mascara. Then I'll apply my falsies and I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. So guys, my lashes are on. I just went ahead to like apply my foundation. I use this foundation, this Kiss Beauty in the shade 01. Since you guys have seen me do my foundation all the time, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to contour. I'm going to highlight with this. I'm always doing this since for some days now. I've been using this concealer from what do they call it, from Makeup Revolution. I have used it this period. I've been using it for long now. I'm going to set with this banana powder. And just set it those areas where I apply my concealer. Just contour my bridge of, just contour my nose. We're trying to like slim down nose, you know guys. Make the nose look on point. I'm just going to add blush. Just pass it around just to like bronze my face, my forehead, everywhere. My MAC Studio Fix and just pass it around my face. Using a black eyeliner just to line my waterline. This one, blend Smoke That. Then I'm going to set the whole of my face. I use this lip gloss. Then I'm going to use this shade to highlight. Then I'm going to take little of it and add to my tear dot. Set my brows. And that is the finished look.